Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to erase MacBook Pro. Firstly, click the Apple menu and then select System Settings. In the left sidebar, just choose General. Then click Transfer or Reset on the right. Now, select Erase All Content and Settings and follow these prompts. Enter your administrator credentials, back up your data if needed via Time Machine or external storage. Now, sign out of your Apple ID when prompted. Then confirm by clicking Erase All Content and Settings. Now, your Mac will restart and it will be reset to factory settings. All you have to do now is reconnect your Mac to Wi-Fi and then restart your data. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.